Enumeration concept. If acquisitions and non-intrusive probing have not turned up any result, then an attacker will next turn to identifying valid user accounts or poorly protected resources shares. Enumerations involve active connection to system and directed queries. The type of information enumerated by intruders such as network resources and shares, users and groups, applications and banners. The objective of the attacker will be to identify valid user accounts or group where he can remain inconspicuous once he has compromised the system. Enumeration involve active connection being made to the target system or subjecting it to directed queries made to a system. Normally, an alert and secure system will log such attempts. Often the information gathered is what the target might have made public, such as DNS address. If an attacker notes Windows OS with port 139 open, he would be interested in checking what resources he can access or view on the remote system. However, to enumerate the NetBIOS names, the remote system must have enabled file and printer sharing. Using these techniques, the attacker can launch two types of attack on the remote computer having NetBIOS. He can choose to read-write to a remote computer system depending on the availability of shares. Alternatively, he can launch a denial of service.